Hi everyone, welcome back to Harris Education Academy. In this video we are going to learn about how to write story writing. By using given hints, how to develop a story, here we are going to know. First thing, it is a very good exercise to bring out the students' imagination and capacity to write simple language. Here, first thing, this exercise is very helpful to bring the imagination and capacity of writing simple language in the student's mind. Students can develop their imagination and their style of writing. It is an art and requires both imaginative and realistic treatment. So, story writing is an art and it requires realistic treatment and at the same time imagination also. A good story should have a theme. So, when you are writing, you should maintain a theme. It should have logical connection also. The setting means where the incidents have taken place and who are the part in it, central characters, the main characters in the story. Everything you should maintain in a proper way. Important points to be remembered. Here there are 10 important points are there. You need to remember those 10 important points. First one, keep the idea of plot in mind before developing the story. Before developing the story, you have to remember entire story. So what was there in the story, you need to remember complete story. Then only you can write a paragraph. You can develop a paragraph from the given hints. No point in the given outline should be omitted. They will give us some hints. You should not leave any one word also. You have to cover all the words in the given hints. The points should be connected with one another. So in the given hints, each and every point should be connected properly. Beginning and end of the story should be natural. So you have to write a story in a natural way. The introduction should not be too long. Whatever you are writing, that introduction should not be too long. Use dialogue or conversation where it is necessary. If you want any conversation or dialogue writing, you can use it in the body of the story writing. Give suitable title to your story. It is also very important. You need to give suitable title to the story. At the same time, you have to write the moral of the story also. The story should be brief. Whatever you are writing, that story should be in brief. The story is to be written in the past tense. Remember, it is very important. The story should be written in past tense even though the outlines are in the present tense. Story should be written within 120 words. So these are the 10 important points to remember when you are going to write story writing. Let us see some assessment indicators are there. These are also very important when you are writing story. First one, containing a sequence of events and dialogues. The story should be contain sequence of events and dialogues. Whatever the dialogues you are writing, those should be in an order. Using feelings and emotions. You have to use your own feelings and emotions while writing stories. Write about setting and other details. Setting is nothing but where the incident happened or who are the people involved in it, the location. All those things comes under setting. Using characterization. So who are the main characters in it? What play their role in that story? Everything should be written clearly. Maintaining relation. So there should be a proper relation between sentences. Using well-formed constructions. When you are writing sentence, you should write in a well-formed construction. That means there should not be any grammatical mistakes. Maintaining conventions of writing. So here there should not be any spelling mistakes and Wherever capital letters are needed, you should write properly using proper punctuations also. Punctuation marks, comma, full stops, wherever necessary you have to write. So all these things comes under indicators. When you are writing story, you should remember all these indicators. Let us see the format of story. Here when you are writing a story, first of all you should write the title of the story. In the examination, they will not give us the title of the story. By observing the hints, you have to think what title may be suit for that given story. So finally you have to write a title. After that, paragraph, body of the story should be developed in a proper way. While writing this body of the story, you need to follow these indicators, and at the same time some points to be remembered. These points and those indicators should be followed when you are developing a story in a paragraph. After that, at the end of the story, you should write moral of the story. These two are very important. For title and moral, they will give you 2 marks, 1 mark for title, 1 mark for moral, and 3 marks for body of the story. So remember, be careful while writing a story. You should write title and moral along with the body of the story. So that paragraph you should write without any spelling mistakes, and at the same time punctuation marks, grammar, everything should be followed properly, and the reader should be attracted by reading the paragraph. Reader should understand whatever the story is given there itself.